you waiting for that chicken bake? The crouton chicken bake that I mentioned? Let's see, what time is it? Yeah, you guys are early. Well, we'll get started as soon as I get settled. Okay? Oh, it's pretty cold out. Okay, you know what? Follow me into the kitchen. We'll get started. Yeah, I had everything ready just for you here. Okay. All right. Now, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to pour half of a measuring cup of olive oil to your glass pan. Okay. Then you are going to season with garlic powder. You're going to season the chicken cutlets. And thin is preferable, so I usually buy them thin. You're going to season them with garlic powder. And also with black pepper. Okay. This is such an easy recipe. It just takes a few minutes to prepare, and the rest is just baking it. Baking it at 350 for about 35 minutes. And then you're done. Okay. Okay, so now what you'll do is you'll be placing each chicken cutlet in the glass pan. Okay. This is my favorite chicken bake. And the trick is those croutons. That's the trick. Okay, so now you have all your cutlets here. And now you will take Prego sauce. You will take some Prego sauce and you will spread it all over your chicken cutlets. Okay. On top of the Prego sauce, you're going to spread for your mozzarella cheese. Okay, once you have that done, you can put more or less, however much you want. You're going to pour Parmesan cheese. And then the famous croutons. Now, you don't have to use a certain brand or a certain type. This is garlic onion. I use all different ones, so this is the trick. So you just use whatever you would like to use, your favorite. And you pour a whole bag into your glass pan. Okay. Then on top of that, you will pour the rest of the mozzarella cheese. Okay, this is the way it should be looking. And the rest, well, not the rest, but you're going to be putting Parmesan cheese on top. Okay. And then that's it as far as preparing it. Now what I did was I have already made this dish and I've already baked it so I could show you how it looks at the end. Okay. this is the finished result. Now with these croutons that I used were different from these. That's why they look a little darker. But this is the way it is supposed to look. Okay? So now you're going to place your prepared dish in the oven and set it for 350 for 35 minutes. And you're done. And this is how it looks. Thanks for watching.